I want to talk to the people about microwave technology. So, everything has a self-destruct mechanism on it. It used to be where you could hit a button and then you'd have an emergency evacuation procedure to make sure everyone was safe and the vehicle would explode. Not to destroy evidence, so that it wouldn't fall into enemies' hands. We also talked about the people that choose to use that technology on our citizens. If it doesn't have a self-destruct button, then you can, let's just say it's a mobile vehicle. We could set up a cliff and then you could see how fast you can drive it off of it. And don't worry, we'll be there to put you back together if you survive.